There's another training for you today because Squarespace has made more changes to the way that you design your site. So you'll notice in all the former trainings, our 101s and SEO and all that good stuff, the site editor looks a little bit different. So you can do all of the same changes to your site, same blocks, same just everything. It's just found in a different place. So I want to go through really quickly where to find it and how best to change things on your site. And I think you will find, like I did, that it's a little bit easier to update your site now. So let's dive in. Under design, you will find that there's no site styles anymore. You click site styles, but it opens up on the side now. So there's now this paintbrush up here that will allow you to edit your site. So if we're updating this home page here, you click on edit, click on the paintbrush, and now we will be editing the site specifics of colors, fonts, all that good stuff here on the side. So under fonts, same thing that you're finding that on the left, but it is now just over here. So when you go through, you can change your headings, your paragraphs, font family, weight, style, and size. So all of that is there. Over here under colors, there are now a bajillion different variations of colors. So you can get really detailed with your color. I recommend keeping it super simple, but if you want to get super micro, changing heading colors and all the different types of banner colors, this is where you can live and just thrive creatively. So many more options. This was another change that they made a couple months ago. Spacing and animations. Animations is pretty cool if you haven't played around with it yet. It puts a global setting on all of the features on your site. So if I did the fade, everything will fade in as you scroll. Slide up. So it just gives a little bit of movement to your site. Just kind of adds a little bit of flair, I guess, if you will. And you can just play around with all the different ones to see. Now, if you want to make movement on, a banner image, that would be a little bit different. You would go here to background, scroll all the way down, image effect, and then here's your different effects here. So this pan works on a scroll and moves kind of back and forth. And you can play around with that there. Back into site styles, spacing. This is your page width. So if you want more of a condensed look, if you don't like these banner images, you would slide and move this around, and then your site margins as well. Buttons, same kind of thing there as you would find in the previous site styles. Image blocks, this is where you're going to edit your alignment of, overlap of titles or placement of cards and where the information is displayed. You will find it all here. Now, usually when I hover over these different, all the different, here we go, now it's doing it. So there's a blue box. So this is how I edit things a lot quickly. So now it's gone. Usually a blue box appears, and once I click it, it will hyper focus on that specific element over here. So it'll kind of streamline and go right to editing that particular portion. And I'm not sure why it's not working on here. Product items. This is a little bit different. I don't have any products, so it's not letting me, but this is more of a global style settings here. I want to also show you that when you add content blocks on the page, so notice I'm clicking, nothing's happening. You have to leave out of this paintbrush in order to come back in and edit. So here you're editing how everything looks, but in order to add content blocks or type new text, you have to get out of that paintbrush. So when you hit the blue plus, which is a little bit different if you've seen the 101 videos that we've done, this is how you get your new content blocks up, and this is where you'll notice it's different. It is still grouped, but they're grouped a little bit different now. So your basic content blocks, text, buttons, forms, audio, summary, video, image are all here. It looks a little bit cleaner to me now. You can also search if you don't want to scroll through. You have business, Member sign up, this is the new member areas here that you would utilize. Integrations, so it's just filtered a little bit differently and grouped differently so you can find what you need, I feel like, a little bit better. But this is same kind of thing. So you have the blue pluses, and when you grab it, same deal. You move it around, drop it where you want it to go, and then you're editing and you have the same kind of toolbar up here for your text. So as you scroll down, same kind of setup. You're just, again, to recap real quickly, your site styles here, and then you're just hitting the plus mark now.